Add a free entry between the rate analysis elements. For example, to calculate an increase in the price of some items. From the local menu you can recall values from various tables. Apply formulas. Or build new ones using specific variables. Suppose you want to calculate a 10% increase on the elements sand and mortar. Recall the total amount of row 3 and add it to the total amount of row 4. Enclose everything in brackets and multiply it by 0.1. With the placeholder option, remove one or more elements from the BOQ without deleting them from the rate analysis. Press the Delete key to empty a field. With Ctrl+Del, you delete the entire row. Rate Analysis Details view. You can find a summary of the amounts and values set in the General Data section. For each rate analysis you can set different values by activating the various checks. Close the Rate Analysis editor. These specific composite rates are highlighted by the red marker. Now proceed to printing.